Hey everybody!
Hi.
Welcome to our Facebook Live. I'm Lauren, this is Chrissy, and we are so glad you're here with us this afternoon. Comment away, let us know that you're here. Say hello. We love having our Moms Meet fans join us for these wonderful chats. And if you're new here, if you're joining us for the first time, let us tell you a little bit about Moms Meet. We're a large online community of moms, dads, grandparents, caretakers, all happy, healthy families, and we're really passionate about learning from one another, and we've got a number of great resources. Our wonderful website, momsmeet.com, it's chock full of resources. We've got some great events, and probably our most unique feature is our Mom Ambassador program. And we work with a number of companies that produce better for you foods, beverages, personal care items. And if you're a Mom Ambassador, blogger, influencer, you get to try the products for free and then tell all your mom friends about them and share your feedback with the companies. So it's a great community. And if you're not already part of it, hop on over to momsmeet.com, sign up, and we'd love to have you. So today's Facebook Live is brought to you by Stonyfield Yogurt. Stonyfield Organic Yogurt, the makers of the probiotic-packed Yo Baby Veggie Whole Milk Yogurt with no added sweeteners. And we're very excited about this. We love Stonyfield. And throughout the event, representatives from Stonyfield will be answering your questions. So anything you want to know, anything you want to ask them, feel free to post away, and they'll be responding to your comments.
And we'll have 3 lucky winners today, which we always love our giveaways.
Yes.
And we want to know, what are some methods that you've used to introduce solids and new foods to your baby and to your children? We'll be talking about that a little bit, sharing our stories, but we want to hear from you. So comment, like, share the video for a chance to win. We'll be announcing the winners tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we talk about introducing foods,
Yes.
and I know Lauren and I have children the same ages, actually.
Yeah.
So we trade war stories daily.
Yeah.
So how did you, like, I'm sure you have some really great stories, and like, how do you introduce food?
You know, I just feel like I fell short in that department because right now, so my daughter is 2.5, my son is 5, and they're not adventurous eaters, and so I don't know, maybe it's just lots of kids, but I kind of feel like I fell short in that department. So this is like a really great topic for me to to be discussing. But yeah, I feel like I heard a lot of information and it was hard for me to really digest it and put into practice. But like one was like the whole persistence piece, because I feel like they always tell you, keep on trying, introduce something, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, keep on going with it. If they don't like it the first time, keep trying. But I'm kind of like, they made a face and I said, all right, I guess you have a reason. So
the people that to try it 5 or 6, and they're not happy parents.
No, they're just very, very patient people.
Pick your battles.
Yes, yeah. So I don't know, did you have any issues with
when Owen, my oldest, first child, we were homemaking every baby food.
Oh, wow, okay.
I remember distinctly buying him, it was like this organic, really good fish.
Yeah.
And we steamed it and we pureed it and we put butter. He was eating better than us.
Yeah. He
He literally refused to try any of it. And I was like, look, this was the first indicator. I was like, okay, this is gonna be more difficult.
Yeah.
And I've tried, I try to sneak things in too. So like I've tried to replace spaghetti with zoodles.
Oh, okay.
He sees right through me.
Oh, he knows.
No, he knows.
They're smart.
The texture's off.
Yeah.
So I've really tried to really pick things that they enjoy eating, and then I'll slowly introduce things. And I am a big proponent of bribery, so
yes, for sure.
I'm all about survival. So
Yeah.
If they don't eat their vegetables at dinner, they don't get any dessert, or if they try something, I'm always big on try something at least once.
Right.
If you don't like it, that's fine.
That's right.
But I do continue to try. But we basically only eat cauliflower and broccoli in our house.
But still, that's a vegetable.
Yeah,
I mean, you're doing better than me, because I feel like I started out with the purees, and when we first started moving into solids, like fruits. So I did apples,
the sweet stuff,
the pears, and of course they love them, but I feel like it then got their palates used to just sweet. So when I tried vegetables, they just they were not into it. They had no interest. But, I don't know. I like that idea of at least trying it. And my own mom calls it like a no thank you helping. So you try it and then you say no thank you, but at least you tried it. So I like that idea a lot.
Yeah, I've tried to sneak some stuff into smoothies, because they think smoothies are like a dessert.
Right.
I've tried once to put some stuff in pancakes, but my youngest will eat it, but Owen sees right through it again. But I've actually found that my children will eat anything from anybody else but me.
Oh, okay.
So, if they're with my mom or my mother-in-law, they'll eat anything.
Okay.
So I'm always like,
it's just
you
you.
do it.
They just, they're testing you. And
of course.
Yeah. No, we tried the whole peer pressure route too, because sometimes I think like if they see their friends or someone else eating it, then they're like, So we tried that, and then my 5-year-old is in pre-K, so I send him, to school with his lunch, and sometimes I'll try to sneak in new things because I figure he's with all his friends, they're eating lunch, they just want to get done lunch so you don't play or do whatever. So I feel like if I try something new, he'll just eat it without protesting, and that's worked a few times. I can't then replicate it at home, but at least he's trying it. So
little do you know, he might be giving that to one of his friends.
Or like to his teacher. If I was his teacher, I'd take it. I said, look, turkey sandwich, sure.
Jokes on you. So again, share what your experiences are. If you have any tips or tricks on getting your kids to eat something, please help us. We're asking.
No, we love hearing from you, and we'll share a couple tips that we have learned, through talking about this and discussing it. But please share away, because if you have anything creative, we'd love to hear it. But first tip is just introducing different foods and textures early on, just so that your baby's more likely to incorporate it and accept it later in their life. And I think that's really important, just starting young and just, going beyond the comfort zone and just trying it, no harm, no foul, just try, see what happens, get them used to trying new things. Tip number 2 is if your baby makes a face while they're trying it, doesn't mean that they don't like it. It could just be they're not used to it. That's something that's it's not intuitive to me, because if they make a face like this, I think, all right, we're done. They don't like it, game up. But that's a really good point, because I feel like, it's just new for them. And give it time and be persistent, and it can help.
And I know that one of the third tips that they talk about is really trying to eat something with your baby, so that your baby or your child can see that it's okay and it tastes good. And even being adventurous yourself. Like, I try to introduce vegetables that I don't necessarily like, but I really want my kids to try. So I'm taking one for the team.
No, I feel like that shows that you're willing to, you're trying it, and you don't know the outcome, but you're, anyway, that's really good.
And one of the other tips, the 4th tip that I really liked, was to go with something easy. So something like a Stonyfield organic UOBB veggie that has whole milk yogurt. Because as we know, babies under 1, their digestive system can't handle the enzymes in the cow's milk. But they can actually have yogurt because of the live active cultures. It breaks down the lactose and the protein, so their digestive system can process it easier. So that being said, we actually have a surprise guest today who will actually sample the Stonyfield yogurt for us today. So we have, you can come on up. We have baby Devin. And Devin is a regular, and this is his mom's Sam. We never forget the mom. So Devin will be a year on Sunday, right? Happy birthday, Devin! It's like, what is going on right now?
That's mom.
So you just see a bunch of ladies smiling at him, and he loves it. So Devin will be our taste tester today, and he loves Stonyfield. Today he's going to try the purple carrot. So Lauren's going to put on this adorable bib, which is a part of the giveaway, by the way. So we're going to put the bib on for him.
Oh, you look so cute. All right.
There you go.
All right, Stonyfield fan, here we go. Ready? So like Christy said, this is the purple carrot. Can you let me feed you? Can you try?
Ooh, that's yummy, huh? Oh, he likes it.
More?
Little camera shy.
Oh, but you're so cute. So cute. It looks great with that bib. So now, have you had any challenges or triumphs along the way of trying to get him to try new things?
He's been a pretty good eater for the most part. We started on solids around 6 months, and we did kind of a combo of traditional and the baby-led weaning philosophy. but he's always loved the Stonyfield yogurts.
Yeah.
The vanilla and the mango are his favorites.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. So the veggie one, I'm sure you can incorporate easily into his diet.
For
then.
sure, yeah, especially the carrot one. Carrots are his favorite
Yeah.
veggie,
That's
so I'm sure
awesome.
he'll love those.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yay.
Well, we love hearing firsthand
Thank you,
from
Devin.
babies that they love the product and it's good for you. And
Yeah.
he's so big now.
Yeah.
You're gonna be 1.
1 years old.
Yay!
All
Well,
right.
Thanks so much for coming
Thanks for
in.
coming in.
Thanks for having us.
You're welcome. Can you say
Thanks for
bye?
being a star.
Say
Bye.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, Devin.
You've already asked enough of me.
Oh, that's great. Well, we're happy you liked it, and like you were saying, I mean, it's a great way to incorporate those veggies. They've got the purple carrot and the sweet potato variety, and my kids love sweet potatoes, so I'll have to, think about this with I have a 2-year-old, so have to think about that with her because we're still trying to bring those veggies in. Well, let us tell you a little bit more about why we love Stonyfield Organic Yo Baby Whole Milk Yogurt so much. It is the #1 pediatrician recommended refrigerated yogurt for babies aged 6 months through 2 years. Every bite has probiotics, protein, calcium, and vitamin D. It's great for babies who've already started trying the solids, and it's USDA organic and non-GMO project verified.
And new to the Yo Baby family is the veggie whole milk yogurt with no added sweeteners. So as you know, they have the fruits, but now they're adding the veggies, which is a great way to incorporate that into the diet. And they made the purple carrot and the sweet potato to really help shape your baby's eating habits. And it also has the probiotics in it, so it's really helpful for their digestive health.
Yeah. Well, again, we love hearing from you, so keep sharing, keep commenting. We want to hear some more ideas. We're still in the thick of it, even though our kids are not quite babies. We're still trying to incorporate those new foods. And there's so many moms in the community who could benefit from your advice. So please keep on sharing and telling us what you do, what some of your tips and tricks are. And our mom ambassadors are actually sampling this product as we speak. So if you head on over to momsmeet.com and check out the product review page, you can hear all their feedback and what they're saying about this wonderful product and how their kids are liking it. So to find a store near you that sells this product, go to stonyfield.com/yobaby. And again, remember to keep liking, sharing, commenting, asking questions, and we will select our winners and announce them on Monday. Thanks so much, everybody, for joining us. Happy Friday.
Bye.
Thursday.